Hello and welcome back to Beidat IT training. In this module 6, we'll do programmer prompt engineering. All right, so we'll talk about multi-language support, Python, JavaScript, Java, problem breakdown, and output formatting with doc strings and comments. Now here's the, this is just error handling, but maybe we'll write something about, we'll rewrite this prompt. So write a calculator in Python with error handling. So if you're a programmer, instead of starting from the scratch, here it writes a function for you called calculator. Welcome to Python calculator. Right, and then I can ask more. So once it completes, and then here's an explanation of the code. And somebody would ask, why would I need to learn how to program now? But it goes beyond that because somebody has to be able to troubleshoot. That's why programming is still essential, right? Somebody has to write this. Somebody has to edit this. Even with AI, they have to be software developers. They have to be programmers, right? I can follow up with, give me an example using this code and show me the output. Okay, so this is the example. When you run that code, this is what it would show. Available operations is that, enter 20, enter 40, gives you the output, and then an explanation of that, right? Of what you get after you have run with those examples. Okay, let's pick another prompt from here. Build a one-page HTML, CSS, JavaScript calculator, include working example. All right, let's grab that. Come back here and run it. Okay. So again, if you have taken the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript class with us, you would see similar code and what we have done there. And includes the JavaScript. As you see, this is an external JavaScript. The CSS file, an external one. Again, you can write it here, but if you want it to be a web developer, you still need to know how to code, how to edit. That's the importance of knowing coding so that you can go. But even if you don't have to write the whole program, you can go back and edit it if you needed to make minor changes and modify it to how you like it to be. Okay, so here's a live interaction of an example. Click 7, the numbers, and then the output you get, right? And then creates the files for you. So the implementation is fully responsive and styled in CSS, so writes the code, and the files where you would put them in, and so forth. See that? Another example, again, it says, generate a Java program that prints a receipt for 5 Beidat restaurant items. This used to be one of the projects that we used to give to students, and they had to write it in Python. I had it in C, I had it in Java. This used to be a project that would run for 7 weeks. Now AI can do it in seconds. And again, like I said earlier, do we still need programmers? And the answer is yes. Because software developers need to know this code. You might not have to write it anymore from scratch, but even if you use AI, you need to be able to go back there and troubleshoot. Okay. If you are following my YouTube channel, Beidat, we have these examples. You will see it about 5-6 years ago that I have done, and the outputs are the same as I'm demonstrating. Look at this. I mean, amazing. It took in seconds to complete this. Okay. So AI can be used for code generation from scratch, learn how to request debugging or enhancements, basically see are there any errors and so forth. If there are errors, and then you can debug it for you. If we had a code that was already written, and you can write multi-step coding prompts if you wanted to, right? Like kind of like the calculator. All right. Thank you. And I will see you in the next module.